So hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today we have this Samsung's brand new Z Flip 6 with us in the blue color. So today in this video we are going to look at this device. So let me just unfold this device, and as you can see, the look handset is as usual, looking very good and premium. And in the front we have 6.7 inches full HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x infinity flex display, and it's a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate display, so definitely it's a good one. And in terms of Android version, guys, this handset is powered by the Android 14 out of the box with One UI 6.1.1 on the top. Now, in terms of chipset, guys, we have uh, 3.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform with 4 nanometer based process, and comes with Adreno 750 GPU. So definitely it's a good one. And in terms of, guys, cameras, we have dual rear setup. So first sensor is a 50 MP wide angle lens and comes with aperture of 1.8, and with secondary 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And this handset can support 4K video recording up to 60 fps. And in terms of front, we have 10 MP front. And in terms of battery, we have 4000 mAh of battery capacity with 25-watt fast charging support, and we have 15-watt QI wireless charging. And in terms of, guys, cover display, this handset comes with 3.4-inch AMOLED 60 Hz cover display with Gorilla Glass Vectus 2 protection. So that is awesome thing. So soon I will make a full review video of this device, so stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching, guys.